lockdown e go tshwere ka vice grip mme coronavirus yone ga ke batle go bua sala ko lapeng ko mme o tlhape matsogo o reetse jaaka tshekedi monyemore a go rwantlhantlha ka metlai Facebook tshekedi monyemore install on Twitter tshekedi_money.
I'm Tswana, guys. I speak Tswana and I'm proud to be a Tswana guy in South Africa, you know. So much so that I want to greet you all the same way that my ancestors greeted their people whenever they met with their people. Pula Tswana, Pula! That's so nice, guys. You know, I was performing in Sunnyside, Pretoria. And in Sunnyside, there's a lot of you know, those other guys. Our brothers from Aramaras. So I was performing and I forgot where I was. You know, you guys, it was nice. You responded nicely. In Sunnyside, when I went, Pula, Motswana, Pula, the only response that I got was, Pula, my brother. Pula, Pula everywhere. In your party, in your jacket, I don't care. Just Pula, my brother. Pula, what does Pula mean? I don't know what Pula means. Just say Pula. You want to hurry up, come back. Pula! Like in Sunnyside, guys, there's so many Nigerians in Sunnyside, yeah? I love them. But there's so many Nigerians in Sunnyside that even other Nigerians think there's too many Nigerians in Sunnyside. See, last time I was just walking by and then I saw one Nigerian guy just, look at these Nigerian people. Look at all of them, huh? Why can you not go home? Get out of here, get out of here. Piri. Now you say South Africans are bad people. So get out to, huh? Is this brother Nigerian? I could tell that this brother. Are you Nigerian, brother? Okay, you're not. You look like one. It's fine. Don't be ashamed, though. Banana follow you here, huh?
Mollatela mo Facebook tshekedi monyemore diso kopaneng ke dithaba menna ke are diso kopaneng ke maoto a re kiss madolo a o kile wa bona